The 𝐃𝐞𝐬𝐜 fixed adjustable mounting system, developed by Singsun Energy, a prominent member of China's top 500 private enterprises, is an innovative solution for optimizing solar panel alignment towards the sun. This advanced system seamlessly combines the stability of traditional fixed mounts with the flexibility of adjustable ones, offering a comprehensive solution for solar installations. At its core, it employs shear jacks with large bearing capacity and self-locking function for each supporting column, effectively preventing any movement of the panels during windy conditions. Its durable hot-dip galvanized anti-corrosion technology requires minimal maintenance and can last for a maximum of 25 years without lubricating oil. Installation is simplified thanks to its universal joint-link rod design and intelligent electric regulating devices, which make operation effortless. The adjustable drive mechanism enables precise angle modifications of the PV modules with a range of up to 60 degrees, ensuring optimal sunlight exposure. With a proven track record of approximately 1.5 gigawatts of PV projects installed worldwide, the 𝐃𝐞𝐬𝐜 system has become the preferred choice for solar projects seeking optimal performance and durability.